Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Stage Manager on Mac. So, Stage Manager is a multitasking feature in macOS that lets you keep your workspace organized. Instead of showing every open windows across your screen, it places the apps you are currently using in the center while moving all the other open window in a strip along in the left side. This makes it easier to switch between applications without creating a cluttered desktop. So if you often work with multiple apps open at the same time, Stage Manager can help you stay focused by reducing distraction and making your workspace cleaner. So to enable Stage Manager, you have two different options. The first one is click on the control center button in the upper right corner, and here you can see this icon. This is the simple control to enable Stage Manager. So all you just need to click on this control and Stage Manager is enabled. Now the second option to enable Stage Manager is to click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock, and here enable the toggle right to Stage Manager in desktop and Stage Manager section. And as soon as you enable Stage Manager, your currently active app will stay in the center while your other open apps will appear in the left side for quick access. You can continue customizing Stage Manager using the additional option below, such as showing recent app, changing how windows from the same app are displayed. You have more other options in desktop and Stage Manager section. You can customize how Stage Manager will work for you. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.